Yebo. Alright, ayinjani njalo ajikmenje. Call yours. Esengikhohliwe yazi. I did a poll in the morning. Yeah, so I just saw the votes narrowly. So people want to do a consultation. Okay, Buffett, it's fine. Guess what? Nipayezile. Because everything was gonna go at 350 rand anyway. Can't change it now. So it's okay. We continue it. We're gonna do any vote. So people voted for what was it? Was a consultation. All right. So no problem. So yeah, I've got the phone. I'm only going to take bookings for 10 people for tomorrow. And then when I'm done with them, then we'll do the next day. All right. So let's have Alex. Let's start. So we're going to do 10 people tomorrow, 10 people the next day, 10 people on Friday. All right. Yeah. There's something I'm actually about to do for some folks. They're going to be on my show, I think Friday or Saturday. Yeah, so basically whatever money we make from those people is born. So remember I told you about a family engafika kuyona ngayisiza mangifika kwabhlungu inhliziyo nani. So I'm going to have them on my show. Some of them actually will ask if they want all of them because something beautiful happened. So we're going to have to talk. I don't mind. So hlala nabo. We're going to enjoy and then have a chat. I don't know. Maybe I'll start my visits. I don't know. Let's see how it goes. But again, I want to start with those consultations as soon as possible. So I'm going to start with them in the morning, and then we're going to take it from there. All right? So this thing is simply Buffett. Nothing changes. So you speak to my team, Labo. Speak to us. You write to us regarding that consultation thing. It's fine. Let's just do the same thing that we always do, just to make it easy. We say 30 minutes for $350, and let's chill and let's talk, Buffett. Let's actually talk and let's take it from there. Yeah, danko. So speak to us 084-363-5362. We'll take it from there. All right. See you in your consultation. Danko.